Hey everyone, big hello and welcome to this guide on drawing a cartoon skeleton in a dancing pose. This is a pretty fun and lively pose, and the whole guide consists of 14 steps. Before we start, as always, I want to remind you that you can find unique hand-drawn coloring pages through the link in the description. These are great for creative activities with kids or just for your own relaxation. The catalog features a variety of themes, including animals and fantasy worlds, and it's constantly expanding. I'm sure you'll find something you like. All the coloring pages are in vector format, which means the line quality will stay crisp and clear no matter how much you scale them for printing. And of course, if you enjoy this video, please support the channel by watching till the end, giving it a like, leaving a comment, and subscribing. It really helps with the channel's growth and allows me to create more content regularly. I'd really appreciate it. All right, let's get started. The first step in drawing a cartoon skeleton is to create the base pose. Here, we'll sketch a stick figure, which will help us position the body parts correctly and maintain proper proportions. Try to use light strokes. Don't press too hard with your pencil, since we'll be erasing these lines later. Step by step, we'll start adding details onto this framework. Congratulations, you're almost done with your cartoon skeleton. Now, if you'd like, you can go over the final sketch with ink or a pen. Once the ink dries, erase the pencil lines from earlier to get crisp, clean lines. Or, if you prefer to keep it as a pencil drawing, just carefully erase the base sketch from the first step. You can also add colors and shadows, either following the example you see on screen or choosing your own style. And before we wrap up, I just want to say a huge thank you if you've watched this video till the end. It really means a lot for the channel and the project as a whole. I truly appreciate everyone who leaves a like and a comment. Don't forget to check out the links in the description. There's a lot of cool stuff waiting for you there. See you in the next videos. Take care, and don't forget to keep practicing.